Hello, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a free sales funnel on System.io. Now you can set up a sales funnel for 100% free, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Be sure to check out the link in the description down below to get to System.io, and it is an affiliate link, so if you do click it, I do get a small commission from System.io, and it is very appreciated if you did use the link below. So now when you come over to the website just here, the first thing you're going to want to do is just click on the Get My Free Account. Then from there, you just want to sign up with your email and a password. Then once you've done that, it will bring you over to your dashboard. But before we actually go any further, I do just want to check out the pricing quick so you can see what you are getting. So as you can see here, we've got the free plan just here. This is what we're going to be using today. Now you can see you can create up to 3 sales funnels here. So you get 3 available for this. But if you want to create any more, you will have to pay for this. So that is something to look at for the future if you're creating some sales funnels. And if you start making money off them, you can probably upgrade. But that is if you want to do that. And yeah, you can see you get absolute tons of options down here. There's literally tons of them. But it's actually getting to making a sales funnel. So as you can see here, I'm on my dashboard right now. So once you are on your dashboard, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually set up a payment gateway. Now you need to do this before you even create any funnels. And also you need to add in some information as well. So to do this, simply just come over here and click on these settings. So click on that. Now most of this is going to be blurred out. But yeah, you need to fill out everything in this page with all your details. Now to add in a payment gateway, just simply come down here to payment gateway and click on that. And then from here, you're going to want to add in your PayPal or any other of these options just here. Now I've added my PayPal account, so you can do that as well. So yeah, be sure to do that. You need to do this, as if you don't do this, you can't create a sales funnel. So now we can actually start creating sales funnels. So now you need to decide on what type of funnels you are going for. So are you going to sell physical products, courses, or digital products? Now you need to decide this before you go any further, and you can always go back to doing all of these other options as well. But I will show you how to do all of them, just in case you do want to do physical products or courses or even digital products. So first we're going to go with the physical products. So what we're going to want to do first is just hover over the products up here, and then just click on the physical products. So click on that. And then from here, just click on create. Then in here, you're going to want to name your product. So basically just add in what your product is. You can give it a description. You can also give it a SKU as well, if you have it located somewhere, maybe in your building or factory, whatever you're doing. So you can do that. You can also change the currency, add in your own price. So let's say it's just 25 euros for now. You can change this to US dollars as well, or UK pounds. You can do that from in here. There's literally tons of options. And also you can add in a picture as well if you want to do that. So that is an option for physical products. Make sure you click save once you have done that. But I'm not going to be doing this today, so you can do this if you want to. Next, if you want to do your courses, simply just hover over again the products and click on courses. Then in here, create a new course. And then in here, just fill out your course name and all your other information as well for your course. And you can also add in a URL path as well if you want to change that. And yeah, you just got a bunch more options down here that you can do as well for your courses. So I'm not going to do courses today, but this is an option you can do if you want to do this. And I will show you how to add your course to your sales funnel as well. And that's the same with physical products. I will show you how to add them to your sales funnels. But if you want to sell physical products, we will do that very soon. First, we have to do one more step. So what we're going to want to do is just hover over the contacts and click on tags. Then from here, just click on create. Then in here, name your tag whatever you want. So I'm just going to call mine one ebook because I'm going to be selling like an ebook, and you can sell whatever you want for your sales funnel. But I'm just going to call it one ebook. And yeah, just make sure you click on save once you've done that. So there we go, we've got that now. So as you can see, I've now got my one ebook in here, or whatever you've named yours. So now to set up the funnels, simply just hover over the funnels here and then click on it. And then here, what you're going to want to do is click on create. And then once you are here, you're going to want to add your own name. So name your funnel, so you can name whatever you want and make it related to what you are trying to sell. Also, you have got your funnel domain as well. Now, as you can see here, they do give you one for free, and that is with the System.io domain on it. But if you do want to swap this, it is very simple to swap. So just simply close out of this page, then hover over your profile picture, go to settings, then come down here to custom domains. And once you are here, you're going to want to add your own domain. So you do need to pay for your own domain, so you can do that if you want. If you do want to get a very cheap domain, I would recommend FastHost. I will leave a link in the description down below to them. But there you can get like, I think it's up to a year for £1 or $1 for a domain. So it's super cheap. And yeah, I recommend just going through them if you want to create your own custom domain, which I would recommend to do if you are setting one of these up. So to add your own domain, simply just click on add domain. Then you can just type your name in here if you want to do that. But I don't have one today, so I'm going to use the free one they give you. Now from here, simply just go back over to funnels, then create funnel. Remember, you're going to put your name in here to relate this to what you are doing. And again, if you've added your own domain in here, you'll be able to swap this out from in here. So you just click on the little drop down. You'll be able to swap over to your own domain. So come down even further, you can see we've got to build an audience. So if you want to build an audience, an email list, you want to select this option here. We've also got the sales. So if you want to sell a product or service, you can do that. You've also got custom as well. And you've also got webinars down here. But today I'm going to be doing a sales product here. And if you want to know how to do a build an audience, I will do a video on that again. I will go through step by step on how to do this if you want to see that one. But today we are doing sales, so click on sales. Then come down even further, you can change the currency. I'm going to leave that just like that on euros. And remember to name your name up here as well. Mine's just going to be called Biscuits ebook. I'm just going to call it that. So I'm going to sell an ebook all about biscuits. And yeah, just something random, but there we go. Do that and click on save. Then from here, you can see you've got your funnels basically kind of set up, but now we need to do a few more options. So what you're going to want to do now is just click into your biscuits ebook or whatever you've called it, click on that. And in here, we're going to actually set up the main pages. So as you can see, this is the order form. You've got the thank you page as well. So we are going to need these. We're also going to need another step as well. So what we're going to want to do is actually create another step down here. So click on that create step. And now in here, you just want to name it. I'm going to call it a sales page because this is the page that the customer is going to go to first before they actually order the ebook or whatever service you are doing. So just call this the sales page. I'm going to put that capital S as well. And down here, we're going to want to select a different option. So simply just scroll down until you find your sales page. So click on that and click on save. And now that's going to add it in just over here. So I'm going to drag that to the top because that is the first page I want the customer to go to. So now once you've got this page in, now you're going to want to set up your own page. So simply just scroll down, look for a page you are looking for, a template, and you can click on more down here on the little 30 logo and just simply just scroll through, have a little look and see if you can find something you want. So for me, I'm going to select this one here because it kind of looks like an ebook setup. So I'm going to click on select. And then from here, we're going to leave this page, just leave this how it is. You can leave this as well. It's up to you if you want to leave this, or you can change your name on the end here if you want to, but I haven't experimented with that. So it's up to you if you want to change that. Now from here, just click on edit page just over here in the corner. So click on that. And now we'll be able to edit our page. So you want to customize this to your liking and to what you are selling. Now I wouldn't add in too much information in here. Like all this here can probably go, but I'm not going to change all of that today. So up here, I'm actually going to change a little bit in here because some of this is probably not going to be any good for what I am doing. So simply just change some of this, just click in it, and then here you'll be able to change a few other bits. So I'm going to choose my own file, and you can upload your own file or you can use your own images. So I've got my own picture just here, so I'm just going to insert this picture. As you see here, I've got the biscuits just here. You're also going to want to change out some of this text as well. So change this out to whatever you like. So there we go. I've got my own text in there as well. And also you can add a description in here, so you can change all of this out if you want to. But I'm not going to be doing that today as this video will go on for too long. But make sure you do customize most of this. Now some of these options here, we're probably going to want to get rid of this button just here. So let's quickly get rid of that. And yeah, you can change whatever you want to. Click on stuff, you can move it about to wherever you like. I'm also going to get rid of this little option just here as well. So now what I'm going to do is actually just click on the buy now. So once you've clicked on that, over here on the side, you're going to see the next step. So really, you're going to want to have this to the next URL. So yeah, make sure that is selected on the next step URL because that is what we're going to want. But now we are done here, so click on the save button just up here in the corner, click on save, and then just exit just up here. And once we have exited, we have now done our sales page. Remember, you're going to want to customize this to the best you can to make it the best sales page that you can make. But next, we're going to go to the order form, so click on the order form, and now you can actually start setting this up. So select a template that you are looking for. So I'm going to select this one here, just the default one. And in here, you can change the name in here if you want to. I'm going to keep it order form. You can change the URL as well. Now, if you scroll down a bit further, and down here, you can choose the type you are trying to sell. So I'm going to be selling a digital product today. So my product's going to be sent to the customer's email. But if you are doing a physical product, you want to select this over here. Then make sure you just select the option in here. So whatever you called your physical product you made earlier, you're going to want to select that in here. And if you do want to see a full tutorial on how to do this, be sure to leave a comment down below. But I'm going to do my digital product, so I'm going to click on that. So next, once you've clicked on digital product, you're going to want to click on this little plus button just over here. Now in here, you're going to want to select your resource. So in here, you're going to select your tag, then choose your tag, and mine is the one ebook. Remember I called it the one ebook earlier? So you make sure you do select that, or whatever you named your ebook or whatever you are selling, and then click on save. Now we have done that. Come down further, you've got your price plans as well. Click on the little plus button, and simply in here, just click on a one-time payment. Is it a subscription base or payment plan? Now for me, it's just going to be a one-time payment, so click on that if you're doing that option. So next, you've got to choose your pricing plan, but we have not done this yet, so we need to set this up. So just click on the create one now, or create a new one now. So from the first option here, so the first option here is the price plan. So this is going to be displayed on the order form. For me, I'm just going to call it the ebook price. Now again, you can name whatever you want in here. Next, we have the display on your dashboard. So this is going to be the name that is displayed on your dashboard. For me, I'm going to call it the Biscuits ebook so I know which ebook I am selling. So next, we have the bank statement. So in here, I'm going to call it the digital ebook for Biscuits. So when someone buys this product, and in their bank, once they have bought it, they will know it's actually for the ebook they have purchased. So it's going to be digital ebook for Biscuits. So people won't get confused on what they have bought. But yeah, just add something in here very similar to this or whatever your product's about. Now the pricing plan type in here, you're going to want to click on one-time payment again. And in here, you're going to want to charge and how much you are doing for your ebook. So for me, I'm going to charge €5 for my ebook. So once you've added your price, just click on save at the bottom here. And apparently my digital ebook for Biscuits is a bit long. So I'm going to probably change this a little bit down. So I'm just going to get rid of the digital just there. And there we go. I've just saved that. And now we have got that basically set up. You can also do coupons if you want to as well. So you can put discounts for your ebook or whatever product you are doing. But I'm not going to be doing that. You can also set up affiliate commissions as well. So if you want to do that as well, you can do that. Basically, you can get people to promote your product and they will get a commission of the sales price. So it's up to you if you want to do that. And also you've got the sales limit, so you can limit how many sales your ebook gets. So if you want to make it a limited time thing, you could just put up to 100 sales. But it's up to you what you do. But I'm not going to be doing that. So yeah, I'm going to leave that just like that. But the next thing we're going to want to do is just click on the edit page just up here. So click on that. And in here, you're just going to want to edit this out. So I'm going to get rid of some of this information in here. I don't want any of this. So just get rid of lots of this stuff. So be sure to customize this and how you would like it to look. But this is just where people are going to order your ebook or your digital product. So people will have to add in their information here. They can also add in a individual or a company. And you come down further, you've got the PayPal option here. So remember we set up the payment gateway. Now if you just do PayPal, people will only have the option to use PayPal. But if you do a lot more options on the payment gateway, people will have more options to pay from. So be sure to actually add a lot more payment details because not everyone's got PayPal. So yeah, be sure to add a lot more options in there. And as you can see, this is for the ebook and it's priced at €5. And you can change some of this text as well if you want to like buy now or whatever you want. So I'm going to do that. So there we go, buy now. And again, you just want to delete lots of information down here because this is not related to whatever you are doing. So be sure to do that. And once you've done this, click on the save changes, then click on exit. Next, we're going to want to do the thank you page. So click on the thank you page just over here. And then from here, just select a thank you page just here. So I'm going to do the default one here, the first one it comes up. And again, just click on the edit page over here. And in here, you can change out this information if you like to as well. So yeah, make this something unique, something that's more related to what you are doing. But a very important thing we are going to want to do is make sure the button down here actually downloads the ebook that the customer will be paying for. You can also set it up as well that it goes to the customer's email, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm actually going to just make a download button down here. Makes it very simple and makes it less confusing for the buyer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in here and now I'm actually going to change out some of the text. So simply just scroll down and down here we can just change out the text. So once we're done that, you can see download your ebook now. Scroll back up to the top. So now we want to click on this open URL, click on that, and now we're going to select download file. And now in here, you're going to want to add in your ebook. So the ebook you've made or your digital product, you can just add it in here. So upload file. For me, I'm just going to use this picture just here as I don't have an ebook to sell. So I'm just going to add in this Biscuits picture and then click on insert. And then when someone clicks this, they will actually download the ebook. But in my case, it's going to download my picture. But that is how you make a download link as well for that. I'm just going to click on save changes for now. You can also view your page as well. So you can come into here and you can view this. Be sure not to share this link though because it won't work. But yeah, you can see right here, this is what it's going to look like. You can download your ebook now. So click on that. And there we go. There is my Biscuits picture just there. Another very important step is you're going to want to make sure your pages actually work for your desktop and also for phones. So simply just down here at the bottom here, you can select between phone. So this is what it's going to look like on your phone. You're going to want to make sure it actually fits in here very well. Because if it doesn't fit in here, they won't be able to download your page. So be sure to make sure that does actually fit all in here perfectly. In my case, it does. So I'm just going to click back on the desktop. You're going to want to do this option for all your other pages as well. So I'm just going to click on Save Changes and then Exit. So now I'm on my dashboard. So I'm just going to click on View Funnel here. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see here, this is what my funnel will look like. So right here, you can see my pictures in here. I'm going to click on Buy Now. And now it's going to add me over to my sales page. So from here, be able to add in my details. And I can actually buy it through PayPal. And click on Buy Now. So in total, it's actually going to cost me €6. I have to pay VAT as well. So if you don't want people to pay even more for it, you can just move the price down. It's up to you if you want to do that. And once people have added the information in here, then click on Buy Now. And again, it's not going to work because I haven't done it. So as you can see there, that does work. You need to add in information first. And remember to get rid of all of this stuff down here. You're not going to want this, but this is just a template for now. Then once people get to the next page, they'll be able to download your ebook or your digital product, whatever you are selling. So to start promoting your page, what you're going to want to do is just select on your URL up here. Then copy this URL. Now you're going to want to paste this on your website or wherever you're going to paste it. And then from there, people will be able to click on it and go straight over to your ebook or digital product or even your physical products as well. Now, if you want to know how to set up physical products and courses, let me know in the comments below and I can do that as well. There's quite a few different steps on how to do that. But if this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and also hit that subscribe button as well. But that is it for this video and I'll see you all in the next one.